In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted posts on Facebook. So open up the Facebook app on your phone and tap into your profile. Now that you are in your profile, what you want to do is tap on the three dots beside edit profile, then tap on archive. Now what you want to do is tap into the recycle bin, and in here you will find your deleted posts. Now if you tap on the three dots beside the deleted post, you have a few different options. So you can tap on view to view the original post and see what it was. You can also move to archive, or you can restore back to your profile, and the last one is just to completely delete the post altogether. We're going to tap on restore to profile and then just confirm by hitting restore again, and that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.